how to check your Snapchat watch history. So first of all, you can see that this is the video or spotlight section, and if you want to check out your watch history, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on your profile icon on the top left hand side. Then head over to the settings or gear icon on the top right hand side and scroll all the way down. As soon as you scroll all the way down, you can find my data. Go ahead and tap on my data. So once you have deleted all of your data, or if you have just formatted your account, you will not be able to check out your watch history. So what you need to do is come over here and scroll all the way down, and you can see export your memories, chat, media and stored storage. You can just go ahead and enable it, scroll a bit down and click on next. As soon as you click on next, you can see this date. You can choose the date on which you can check out your watch history. Then go ahead and tap on submit, and then you can download all of your history from which you can check out all of your Snapchat watch history. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.